Yeah, so here's the Minarelli block. Since I'm using a Dio Reed, I'm going to put this stuffer in it. And I don't so much care about the edges and stuff. I just ground it quick on a belt sander, so yeah, they're not the greatest, whatever. I'm going to put high temp caulking anyways around it, like gasket maker stuff, and not so much for it to be sealed, but for the fact that vibration, because this is in cast and this is aluminum, so it'll stop it from vibrating. But yeah, I mean, all in all, happy with that. I got my little scavenger port cut out there too, and everything went really smooth on this. All the different angles, everything, it came out good. Lines all up really nice. So anyways, it'll be a flat block that goes over this whole entire thing, and this square is like here on the Dio Reed. So it all lines up, and it's basically, this is just a directional tool, kind of like a reed stuffer, same principle. And this is the part that seals all the way around it, and then the plate will be there, and then my Dio Reed plate will go on that and bolt in place. So we're there. This is great. I'm probably going to take and round out the whole edge on this, so that when I put the gasket maker in, I just want that in there. It'll keep it from vibrating. So anyways, it's all nice and smooth. It all sits below the edge of the actual factory reed housing. So it's perfect for my block to go right over the top of. So, alright, peace.